up? It's PNUT of Finger Circus. Today I'm going to show you how to use the glide function on the Fidget Cube. First, I'm going to tell you that the glide function is kind of like analog. You know, if you ever played Nintendo 64, my 90s babies, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Feels kind of like that. What you want to do is place it with the glide facing out and just put it in between your palms and close all your fingers, like so. Then you want to open your pointers and your pinkies. Then everything. Then you want to suck these two in, middles, rings. Just use them to make it glide. So you start here in the prayer position. Open your hands. Out, out, out. Middle finger, ring finger, ring finger. It's actually pretty easy once you get the hang of it. You just have to be able to move your fingers independently, and you got it. That's how you use the glide.